Come today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, into the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on your device. Now just wait a little bit here and click to open, tap to enable in settings, click here to the switcher near the green Apple keyboard, tap to OK, again to OK, and now go back here, tap to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard or currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now just tap to OK. As can you see, the process is finished, and now we'll go somewhere, for example into the apps menu, and here we can see the look of our new just keyboard. And as can you see, this keyboard is also close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.